Welcome back. This tutorial is about the supplier group. A supplier group is used to create a group of suppliers. Before creating a supplier in your system, user must define the group of suppliers. Supplier group can be local suppliers or direct suppliers. A supplier is also known as a vendor. There are different types of suppliers and their group can be based on the goods and products they supply. To create a new supplier, go to Purchase module. In Setup Forms, open Supplier Group. Press the New button. Enter the name of supplier group. User can active or inactive by active checkbox. And press the Save button. To edit an existing supplier group, press Search button from the toolbar. A new window will appear. Select record from the search list. Press Edit button from the toolbar. Edit record as required. User can edit the name of supplier group and can activate or inactivate it. Now similarly, to delete an existing record, press Search button from the toolbar. A new window will appear. Select record from the search list. And press the Delete button from toolbar. Thanks for watching.